In our discussion of lean, we talked about the creation of flow and the elimination of waste. In our discussion of value stream mapping, we talked about following the product through a complete cycle. In a cancer clinic, the patients flow through the process of receiving cancer treatments. Let's look at a case study in a cancer clinic and see how the implementation of lean concepts helped improve customer service as well as improve the profitability of the overall operation. This case study addressed a cancer clinic that had excessive processing time. Patients spent an average of 5.75 hours getting their treatments. The clinic seldom closed on time, leading to excessive overtime expenses. A lean project team was assembled to see if they could address the waste that was in the system and reduce that cycle time. Changes were made in the sequence that things were done. Labs were pre-ordered when the patient scheduled their visit. A phlebotomist was used instead of the nurse to do the initial blood draws. Changes were made in how the blood samples were delivered to the lab. Simple changes were made in the computer system to expedite the reporting of the lab results to the clinic. By implementing these simple changes, the cycle time for a treatment in the clinic dropped from 5.75 to 3.16 hours. Patient flow was increased, waste was removed, and the clinic was able to close on time. The patients were happier, the staff was happier because they knew when they got to go home, the nurses were more efficient, safety was improved, and overtime expenses were radically reduced because the clinic was able to close on time. The implementation of lean concepts in this case study showed how lean can increase customer satisfaction and profitability. We at the Mushrush Group look forward to working with you to help you do the same with your customers and your bottom line.